Maintenance and care tips for custom wood shutters. To ensure your custom wood shutters maintain their beauty and functionality for years to come, it's essential to follow proper maintenance and care practices. Here are some tips to keep your shutters looking their best. Regular cleaning. Gently wipe down your wood shutters with a soft cloth and a mild, wood-safe cleaning solution to remove dust and dirt buildup. Inspections and adjustments. Periodically check your shutters for any loose hardware or hinges, and make adjustments as needed to ensure smooth operation. Refinishing and repainting. Over time, your custom wood shutters may require refinishing or repainting to restore their original luster. Consult with a professional for the best approach. Weatherproofing. Protect your wood shutters from the elements by applying a high-quality sealant or weather-resistant coating, especially in areas with extreme climate conditions. Professional maintenance. Consider scheduling annual or biannual maintenance checks with a reputable custom wood shutter provider to ensure your investment remains in top condition. Conclusion. Enhance your home with affordable Canadian custom wood shutters. Upgrading your home with affordable Canadian custom wood shutters is a smart and stylish investment that can transform the look and feel of your living spaces. By exploring the benefits, understanding the key factors to consider, and connecting with premier sales and installation services in your local area, you can find the perfect custom wood shutters to enhance your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic. Ready to take the next step in upgrading your home with affordable Canadian custom wood shutters? Contact our team of experts at Diamond Custom Shutters today to schedule a consultation and receive a personalized quote. Let us help you find the perfect solution to elevate the beauty and functionality of your living spaces. Please like, share and subscribe.